Magandang hapon po ng October 5, 2023 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng October 5, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, October 5, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 5, 2023, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 105 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 21 million pesos for Thursday, October 5, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for October 5, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.